Hey everybody, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 40 garlic chicken in the Instant Pot. So, the first thing that you're going to need is 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You could use chicken breasts if you would rather use those, but personally I think chicken thighs taste better. So in the video you can see that Mom did not get skinless, so she's just having to rip the skin off for each chicken thigh. But if you got skinless chicken thighs, you can just skip this step. Then you're going to take your 40 cloves of garlic and you are going to put those in your Instant Pot. You don't have to chop these up or anything, just remove the skins and kind of crush them a little bit. Then you're going to add some salt and pepper. And then you're going to add some dried thyme and rosemary. You can also add fresh thyme and rosemary if you like, but we weren't able to find it. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine, a tablespoon of better than bouillon chicken, and then a 1.5 cups of water. And then you're going to put your lid on your Instant Pot. And you're going to let that pressure cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. And once it's done, then you want to do the natural release for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you want to manually release the rest of the way. So once everything is completely cooked, you're going to remove your chicken thighs from the liquid and just set them in a plate or on a cutting board or just somewhere out of the way. So once you have your chicken thighs completely removed, then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and your cornstarch slurry. And you just want to add that in, and you want to give it a really good mix. So the cornstarch slurry is going to really thicken things up, and it'll make it like almost like a gravy. But you want to make sure that you mix it really well. And then once you have it mixed up really well, you can put your chicken thighs back in so that they get coated in that sauce. And that's it. If you want to see more recipes like these, check out loavesandishes.com. If you want to hear more from myself and my mom, we do have a podcast. It's called Dorks with Sporks, and you can find it wherever you listen to podcasts. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're putting out a new video every Monday through Friday. And thanks for watching.